Hello and welcome to Data Basin, an online mapping and analysis platform supporting conservation by integrating science and people. Galleries are a feature within Data Basin used to organize related items, arrange content by geography or themes, and highlight project results. Galleries can include both spatial datasets as well as accompanying non-spatial files such as PDF reports, slideshows, spreadsheets, and other file formats. In order to create and manage galleries, you must first be logged into your Data Basin account. You can take a look at the top of the web page to check if you're signed in. Here we see that I'm signed in as username-ex. If you're not signed in, you would see sign in and sign up options. To get started, hover your mouse over the Create button in the Data Basin toolbar and select Create a Gallery. Members can create any number of galleries and are required to populate with a title, a description, and tags. You can indicate whether your gallery is public, meaning it's visible to all users, or private, meaning that it's visible only to authorized users. Be sure to provide a list of gallery credits, including a list of individuals and organizations that contributed to the content of the gallery. For this example, I'll create a gallery to store items related to mule deer. Please provide as much detail to customize and communicate using your gallery. There are text formatting options and an option to link to web pages. I'm going to quickly populate this with some example text. Once your gallery is populated with the required information and you've customized it to how you want it, you can go down and select a gallery thumbnail to further customize by adding a nice image. In this example, I grabbed an image for mule deer, and you can crop the image if you so choose and click Submit. The new gallery page appears on screen and is ready to be populated with content. Content can be added by clicking the gear icon here, which provides us with 4 options: add content, create folder, upload file, and link to external resource. Let's start by adding some content. This allows you to add any number of spatial datasets, maps, or even other galleries that already occur in Data Basin to your gallery. Here, I'm going to do a quick search on mule deer. And a quick note, your initial search will return datasets, maps, galleries, use cases, groups, and other files that match your search criteria. You could quickly select one to filter it based on just datasets. So you can see here, click it again, and click Maps to only show maps. You can see the different icons here. To start, I'm going to select these 2 datasets, and then I'm going to filter for maps and select a few maps to add as well. And down here, you can see the full list of your selected items, and you can even remove them here if you see something you've included that you don't want to include. Let's add these items. So now we have these here. Let's create some structure and create a folder. For this example, called Colorado mule deer. Since these data are from Colorado, now I can populate this folder the same way we just added content to our gallery. You can do that here, but since we have some content in our gallery already, we can select the items, and a command toolbar drops down. And once you have your items selected, it tells you how many you have selected here, and then you can move those items. The Add to Folder window appears, and if you add more files, you can navigate into folders and navigate to the appropriate folder, select it, and click Submit. And now you can see those datasets are in this folder. Now that we have some content, we can also link to external resource. So here you would provide a link to a web page, provide a title and a description of why you're including it, as well as some tags. And you also have the option to upload a file. You can upload PDF files or others. And finally, you can add your gallery to your bookmarks, to a group workspace, or to another gallery. And then finally, under Manage, you select that. You've got an option to edit the gallery overview, which is what you populated at the beginning of this tutorial. You can manage the permissions. This is where you can select users to view your items, since this is a private gallery. Or here you can change it to make it public. You can also transfer ownership to another Data Basin account, or delete the gallery entirely. Thank you for joining me. That's all for now. Happy mapping.